Hi, Destiny. So I made some changes to the layout. I wanted to show it to you in the video, and also kind of show you how you can go in and edit those pages. So basically, what I did was I created a couple layers to this. I kept the original layer for all town election info. And basically, that will be the page that is going to house all the different years going forward of town elections. From there, I created each individual year, which would be 2019 election in this case. And again, here you'll create pages that will go under the town election information for each year going. So if you were to click on the town election information, instead of having like folders, what I did was create more of a graphic element to it. Um, I took the original election information graphic and just assigned it a year. And from here, so next year you have 2020, 2021, 20, etc. Um, and you just basically will add this image, change it, and then add it to this page, and then create a new page for the 2020 election information, and just kind of redo everything you did for the previous year, plug in any new. So from here, we only have 2019. They would click on here, and then it would take them to a page that has all the 2019. What I also did was make a quick link section for any general information. The only thing I recalled having was a general election information link, which basically gave all the information on how to file and any other information that you guys. But this section would be used more to just basically put general election. So if you click here on 2019, again, I slightly changed the way this looks. I used a different type of list, again, eliminating the folders, because I wanted everything to be on the page. You want to try to avoid having people go to different 120, different page time. The more you can put on one page, the better. So in this case, obviously, we're not going to put all the candidates here because it's not related. So I then I took the old candidate page, changed it to 2019, and then all this information. Okay. So the next election, you change the year. You can copy this page, change the year, add the new candidates, create the link, and you're good to go. All right, everything is set. Then from here, more information. You want to put images, you can add images. You want to put documents. Instead of creating folders with documents, just put the documents directly on here. So for example, if I come to the 2019 election page in the back end, you'll see the list, which is basically the link to the 2019 candidates. We can go ahead and just create another section. Okay, we can add rows to it. And let's say we have 3 documents, so you can simply create 3 rows. Then you would create a text box in each individual column. And from here, you can simply just plug in an image. I added a PDF image not too long ago. And it's right over here. You just insert it into the page. And it's basically a visual cue letting them know they can download a document. Once that's in there, you simply go below it and enter text. Here we can say download document. This would change. You can say download the name of the document instead of just that, but I'm just going to do this for now. Center it, change it to a larger heading just so that it looks, different. And then simply turn it into a link. If you insert a link here, you can actually, click here, insert a link, click the cog wheel, and basically select whatever it is that you're looking for. You come over here, you see that you have all the different things you've created. But the best way to do it would be you go to the media library, upload the PDF document that you want to use to download, and once it's uploaded, you're always going to have a link, which is right over here in the URL box. And all you really need to do is just click here, paste that link into the box, do the same for the text, paste the link into the box, okay, save, and you're good to go. All right. So now instead of having all these like folders that go into more folders and more folders, everything for 2019 will be on one page. So if you come to preview, you're gonna see that it's a little cleaner, a little easier to navigate. And also, I'm keeping the whole ADA compliance in mind. I don't want them to have to go digging through links, okay? So basically, here's what we added. If you like, you can add images to the top, images of the candidates, images of the election process, people voting that day, whatever you like to maybe spice the page up a little. So basically, they come to 2019. They can view the candidates, view any other pages that pertain to the 2019 voting. They can download any documents. Right hand side, they have any quick links to general information for elections, and that's pretty much it. So again, everything is nested properly. 2019 elections. Anything related to 2019 is nested under 2019 elections, and everything related to all the elections is nested under the town election information. Okay, so looking at that in the front end, you go to town clerk, go to view town election information. You only have 1 year, but all the years will be nested here. They go to that year. Everything they're looking for is there. Okay. Another thing. So if you want to add anything else to this quick link section, that's handled through the appearance menu section. Add the page first if it's a page that you're adding. If it's just a document, you can do the same thing. If you want to add just a document, once you add it, you simply come to the appearance and menu section. Then once you're in this section, you're gonna click on a drop down. Let that load. And that drop down is going to have all the menus we've created. This is the town clerk menu. It's already here. Let me remove this. I just did an example. Once you're in this town clerk menu, you simply look for the page that you've added, and you simply click search. I'm just going to put anything random. Once the page comes up that you added, you simply click the checkbox, add to the menu. It will add it to the menu in a moment. Once you see it appear on this right hand side, I'm sorry, my internet's been really slow today. Once that appears, you save, and it will automatically populate whatever you entered into the. Okay, Destiny, let me know if you have any questions. If you need any images or anything, let me know. Everything is in the media library for most of the things I showed you, and I hope this is better and works out better. Let me know if you have any questions.